For the second matrix modeling question we're going to do, this is from the homework assignment. We have a fat, carb, and protein chart and calories for a burger, fries, and shake. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the calories per gram of fat, carbohydrates, and protein. So this actually is set up pretty nice because what we can do is we can say, well, I have 29 grams of fat, but I don't know how many calories per grams of fat I have. So we're going to let x be the calories per gram for fat, y be the calories per gram for carbs, and we'll let z equal the calories per gram for protein. Okay, so we're going to set this up as a matrix equation. The chart they give us is really nice because we actually already do have it set up as an equation. So we're going to go 29x plus 46y plus 25z is equal to 545 calories. 25x plus 63, y plus 6z is equal to 501. And the shake, finally, 21x, 115 grams of carbs. Whoops, this should be a y. And then 15 grams of protein or 709 calories. Okay, so that's our system of equations. So what we're going to do then is we're going to stick it into a matrix. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up at the matrix equation, and then we're going to write the augmented matrix. So there's your coefficient matrix. Here's your variable matrix and your constant matrix. Now, in terms of solving this, you actually have a couple of things that you can do. So you can use Cramer's rule, which uses determinants. You can also use reduced row echelon form or row echelon form to solve it. For that, you need to be in an augmented matrix. You can find an inverse matrix. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to find reduced row echelon form using the matrix calculator in Desmos. So first thing we got to do is we got to rewrite it. Oops. Okay, we got to rewrite it as an augmented matrix. Just so we know what to put into the calculator. Now, when you put this into a calculator, you're not going to see a line. I like to put a line there just to kind of separate things out, but you're not going to see that on the calculator. Okay, so there is your augmented matrix. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch to Desmos. Okay. All right. So you can see that I've programmed my matrix A into my calculator. There's my augmented matrix. Okay, so once you've got your matrix entered, you're actually going to hit the button enter. And then if you look down here, it says RREF. That stands for reduced row echelon form. You're going to hit that. You're going to tell the calculator what matrix to find the reduced row echelon form for, as a little like caution sign right there. So we want to find the reduced row echelon form for A. So we have 9, 4, 4. So x equals 9, y equals 4, and then z equals 4. So let's remember that. We're going to switch to OneNote. So my reduced row echelon form says so there are 9 calories per gram for fat, 4 calories per gram for carb, and then 4 calories per protein gram. So for each gram of protein you eat, you're getting 4 calories. For each gram of carb that you eat, you get 4 calories according to this. And for each gram of fat that you eat, you get 9 calories. Okay? And that's how you would solve it using Desmos.